Introducing the SATCO NUVO LED Wide Beam Angle Canopy, your ultimate lighting solution tailored for commercial and industrial spaces. With its cutting-edge features, this canopy sets a new standard in lighting technology. There are 4 models to choose from, 2 color styles of white and bronze, and 2 wattage options to accommodate most installation applications. The wide beam angle design, along with field-selectable wattage and color temperature options, allows these fixtures to be used in spaces of various ceiling heights, including low ceilings. At installation, choose from 20 watts, 30 watts, or 45 watts to accommodate lower ceiling applications from 9 to 15 feet. For ceiling heights of 15 to 20 feet, use our higher wattage models with options of 60 watts, 75 watts, or 90 watts. With both models, you can also select from 3 distinct color temperatures of 3000 K, 4000 K, and 5000 K to create or match any environment. For enhanced security and efficiency, consider our optional PIR or microwave motion sensors. Installing them is a breeze, they're plug-and-play. Just screw them in, no rewiring required. You can also opt for the optional remote control, which is compatible with our sensors. The SATCO NUVO LED Wide Beam Angle Canopy is engineered to keep your space illuminated, even in challenging situations. Also available as an accessory and sold separately is an EM battery backup module. In the event of a power outage, the EM battery backup ensures up to 90 minutes of uninterrupted performance, meeting any local code enforcement requirement. SATCO NUVO's LED Wide Beam Angle Canopy can be ceiling or pendant mounted and is the ideal choice for commercial and industrial settings, including garages, warehouses, and retail spaces. For ease of installation, these wide-angle canopies come equipped with threaded hubs on all 4 sides and back. Its IK10 rating not only makes it vandal-resistant but also strike-resistant, making it perfect for parking garages or other high-traffic areas. And with an IP65 rating, this LED canopy is built to withstand the elements, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. Experience the future of lighting adaptability with the SATCO NUVO LED Wide Beam Angle Canopy, where technology seamlessly aligns with purpose. Illuminate your space with confidence, precision, and efficiency. For more information about SATCO NUVO products, please visit our website.